Gather ingredients, grease and line the baking pan like this. Crumble half of a bread to crumbs into a bowl like this. Dash half cup sugar, teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, grounded spices. I am using nutmeg, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, combine with a wooden spoon. Pour half teaspoon vanilla extract in 2 cups of milk. I am using coconut milk. Add 1 or 2 eggs, tablespoon melted butter. I am using coconut oil. Use cooking oil instead. Combine the ingredients with a wooden spoon like this. Fold in 1 cup flour at the end, smooth like this. Pour the dough into a baking pan, halfway, no more than 2/3 full like this. Bake in preheated 350 degrees oven on the middle rack for 45 minutes. This is bread pudding. Get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.